I'm going to show you guys some cool things you can do with just your primary colors of paint so that when you are painting, you can get as many different colors as you can. So the first thing I did, which we've done already, is mix our primary colors to get our secondary colors. So again, to get orange, you mix yellow and red together. To get green, you mix blue and yellow together. And to get purple, you mix blue and red. So now I have the three secondary colors and the primary colors. The only color I am missing is white, which we can't really make white paint with all of these colors, but you can use the white of the paper. So if you wanted to have a white circle in the center of something orange, all you need to do is paint around the white space. So this could be helpful if you were painting an eye, or something like that. So you can just use the white of the paper to get white. The other color we're missing is black, and you can actually get black by mixing your three primary colors together. So I'm going to take a little bit of blue, red, and yellow and mix those together to get a nice black color. Okay, so I'm gonna take some of each color and try to mix those together to get black. When you're making black, sometimes it takes a few tries. It might not look black right away, but you can keep adding some of each color to see what happens. I think I'm gonna add a little bit more yellow. Okay, so that's looking pretty black. It's not a perfect black, but that's pretty good for just using the primary colors. So I'm gonna test that out and see how it looks. Ooh, I'd say that's pretty black. So now, just with the primary colors, blue, yellow, and red, you can make a black. So if you need to paint something that's black, that's how you can do it. The other thing you can do is try to get a darker color. So if you make black, then you can use black to make a darker orange or a darker green. But another way to get a darker color is to mix complementary colors together. So if you look at the color wheel, there are a lot of colors on it. There's primary, there's secondary, but each color has a complementary color, and that means that it's across from another color on the color wheel. So if you look at the color wheel, blue and orange are across from each other, so those are complementary colors. So if I mix some blue with some orange, it's gonna make a dark blue color or a darker blue color, and I can use that if I want a dark blue. If you wanted a darker red color, the complementary color of red is green. So all you would have to do is mix red with green and you would have a darker red. If you want to do a lighter color, so if you want light red or pink, then what you can do, if you don't have white, is take some red, dip your paintbrush into it, and then take some water and get your paintbrush really wet, and then it's going to make your paint really watery, and then it turns lighter. So now my red looks more pink and it's really nice and light. So that's how you can get a lighter color. If you want to get a different color that you don't have, the best thing to do is just experiment and mix some colors together. So just try different things and see what works. And the most important thing is to have fun while doing it. So I hope you guys learned something cool. I think making black with these primary colors is super cool. But you guys can try different things, see what happens, and I am excited to see how your colors turn out when you paint them.